Hey everyone, welcome back to the Inehub YouTube channel. Today, we've got some exciting news for all crypto enthusiasts out there. Binance is back with stage 2 of their Traders Bootcamp, and this time you can learn, earn, and win a share of $100,000 in rewards. Sounds amazing, right? Let's break it all down. If you don't already have a Binance account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. Binance is once again empowering traders with the opportunity to sharpen their skills while earning rewards. The Traders Bootcamp Stage 2 is designed to help you level up your trading game, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Here's how it works. The campaign is divided into 2 parts: learn and complete tasks, trade and compete for rewards. Let's dive into the details. First up, the learn and complete tasks phase. Binance has prepared a series of educational resources and tasks to help you understand key trading concepts. By completing these tasks, you'll not only gain valuable knowledge, but also earn points that could unlock rewards. Some of the topics covered include spot trading basics, futures trading strategies, risk management techniques. This is your chance to learn directly from one of the world's leading crypto platforms. Next, it's time to put your skills to the test in the trade and compete for rewards phase. Here, you'll trade on Binance and compete with other participants for a share of the $100,000 prize pool. The more you trade, the higher your chances of climbing the leaderboard and securing a spot in the rewards distribution. Whether you're trading spot or futures, every move counts. Now, let's talk about the rewards. A total of $100,000 is up for grabs, and it's distributed based on your performance in both the learning and trading phases. Here's a quick breakdown. Top traders will receive the largest shares of the prize pool. Active participants who complete tasks will also earn rewards. Ready to join the Binance Traders Bootcamp Stage 2? Here's what you need to do. Sign up or log in to your Binance account. Complete the learning tasks to earn points. Start trading and climb the leaderboard. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to learn, earn, and win big. Click the link in the description to get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Inehub channel for more updates on crypto, trading, and tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.